Good morning, everybody, and welcome to week 4. I have enjoyed reading your discussion postings. I got all caught up on weeks 2 and 3 last night. A couple people are still posting for week 3. It's not too late quite yet, but I gave you a lot of specific feedback on the week 2 discussion board. So look carefully at the individual feedback that I gave you, please, as we go forward. Some of you are having some difficulty still understanding criterion referenced tests that measure specific skills or content. The ITBS, for example, is an example of a norm referenced, and it is also a criterion referenced test. So look at my feedback to explain that and let me know if you still have questions. Most of you really seem to understand grade equivalency scores and how dangerous those can be, because we all really misunderstand those, misinterpret those. But again, let's say there was a 4th grader who had a grade equivalency score of 6.8. That doesn't mean the child is performing at a 6th grade level. It just means, so it's kind of a ridiculous number to even put out there, that the average 6th grader in the 8th month would do as well on this 4th grade test. So all you can say is if you've got a grade equivalency score above the grade level that the child is in, that may indicate an area of strength. That's really all you can say. But parents misinterpret those scores, and so do teachers all the time. But you won't do that. You are going to be the teacher who can interpret those scores just right. So this week, we're going to dig into Georgia rules and regulations, and you are going to learn more about mental ability assessments and also achievement tests. And specifically, you're going to learn about the ones that are typically used in Georgia as part of the gifted eligibility process. You're going to learn the difference between a component score and a composite score, and when can we use one or when can we use the other. You're going to learn the difference between a standard score and a percentile score, and when can you use one and when can you use the other. So there's a lot of information, and I think we've got a recommendation that as you watch Dr. Crowder's PowerPoint, that you take some notes. You will have an ungraded quiz this week on Georgia rules and regulations. So take some notes and let me know if you have questions before you take the quiz. It's not graded, and I'll be giving you, detailed feedback, and I'll try to do it in a more timely way. I'm sorry it took me so long to get you feedback on the week 2 discussion board. As you know, I was traveling last week with students, and I wanted to be able to give detailed feedback, and I just wasn't in a place where I could do that. So everybody's got it now, but I'll make sure that I do a better job with the ungraded quiz that you'll take this week. So I hope you all have a wonderful week, and let me know if you have questions or concerns.